Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable live captions in iOS 18. So first thing is that you will have to tap on your iPhone settings, and after inside you will just check in journal settings and check your software and make sure your software is on latest version on 18.1.1. So this is the latest version of iOS. So I will just go back, and the next step is you can just scroll down and find the accessibility. So just tap on accessibility, and after inside you will scroll down to find live captions in heading. So just tap on it, and so your iPhone will use on device intelligence to automatically display captions across all apps. Accuracy of live captions may vary and should not be relied upon in high risk or emergency situation. In app live captions, if you prefer live captions be displayed only in specific apps, turn on in an app live caption. So I will just tap to turn it on, and you will see live caption is turn it on, and when I was listening or asking, so it will be automatically. So from here you can just change the colors options, also text color, background color. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.